In today's video, I'm going to show you how to filter and sort data in a spreadsheet to make it easier to work with and to help you quickly find the information that you're looking for. I'm Sarah and I'm here to share with you some quick and easy ways to make working with your spreadsheets easier, quicker and decidedly less painful. Let's get started. So the first thing I would do, actually even before I filter my data, and this is true for any data set, what you're seeing here is an example of an Etsy payment statement, but these tips work for any data that you might have downloaded or just that you've received from somebody that has a lot of rows to it. So the first thing to do is to fix this top line. What you see, if you scroll down the page, you see up here your top line's disappeared, so you can lose track of what it is you're looking at. If you go over here up on your ribbon to view, you can do freeze panes. In this case, I'll just freeze the top row. You can also freeze it so that you can keep the the left-hand column as well. This time we'll just do freeze row. And now as you scroll down the page, you can see you keep your headings. So that's always really useful to do whenever you've got a file of information. So now to add the filter, click anywhere along this top row, doesn't matter which column you're in. Go back to home, go over here to sort and filter and click on filter. So now you see you've got the little grey arrows at the side of every box. So it's added the filter to all the columns, didn't matter where you were when you pressed it. So what this enables you to do, if you click on the arrow, it's grouped all of the information that you've got by the data that's in the column. So if I only wanted to look at sales, you can see now it's hidden everything else. If you look down here at the row numbers, you'll see it goes from 60 to 67. It's just hidden all of the other information. So it's still there, you haven't lost it, it's just hidden. If I now wanted to look at listings, for example, you can see we've now got different rows showing. So it's all still there, you don't need to worry, you've just hidden it. The other great thing you can do once you've filtered, if I wanted to know my listing fees for this month, I can go over here to fees, make that a bit bigger, fees and taxes. If you just literally highlight the whole column, you see down here, you get a sum. So I can see that my listing fees, or the test listing fees in this case, were $6.60. If you change that to see your transactions, without doing anything else, you can see that's updated automatically. It's now $17.56. So it gives you a really quick way of adding up certain types of data. This is great if you just needed numbers to transfer into a bookkeeping software package like QuickBooks. It will very quickly give you the numbers that you want to see. If I take the filter off, let's go back to select all. So by adding the filters, it also gives you a great way to sort your data very easily. So you don't need to worry about highlighting all your data. If I wanted to see this now in ascending date rather than descending date, you literally click on the arrow again and you see up here you've got a couple of sort options. You can do sort oldest to newest. There you see it's automatically updated. You could go over here and sort it by type if you didn't want it by date. In this case it's A to Z. And you can see now we've got all the listings together, by page down, all the sales, all the transactions. So that is another way of getting a more organised view of your data. Thanks for watching this 2-minute tip from Made on the Common. And don't forget, if you want an easy way to manage your business numbers, you can find a range of tools designed especially for Etsy sellers and small business owners over in our Etsy store. Thanks again and see you again soon.